Good morning, everyone. This is Harshvardhan Arnipalli, 120955059. According to the assessment item 1 criteria, the given problem is we have to design an enterprise network for chain of medical centers of Utopimed operated in different cities of Australia. And the solution is we are using top-down network design methodology to design the network of Utopimed. In this PPT, I'm going to discuss about the information about the user communities, data stores, network application, and the traffic flow, IP addressing, and naming. Let's get into the user communities. In user communities, we have a lot of information from different types of patients in the medical center. The UTP-Med is operated over a large around and all the capital cities of Australia. So the large amount of data is being processed. As a large amount of data is being processed, we need a large security to be get enhanced to the respective medical center for increasing the security and providing the data from unauthorized access. So every medical center has been managed by general physicians, specialist staff and radiological department and the laboratory staff and patients from variety of places. So by looking at the table, we can clearly understand who are the persons are accessing the medical center and number of users and the location and the community and what are the applications used. Now let's get into the data store. As a large amount of data is being processed, the data has to be stored. So based on the type of the data is organized into different types of data servers. So based on the servers, the data is stored and later can be accessed when we need it. By looking at the table, we can understand like what are the different types of servers used and its location and application and the users. So now let's get into the network applications and traffic flow. In the network applications and traffic flow, we can see the name of the applications and the traffic flow from user to the destination and what are the protocols used and what is the bandwidth. So addressing and naming in this each and every router and server used in this is given an individual IP address in order to provide the effective access of the data and prevent it from unauthorized access. So this is the whole network. This is the Melbourne Medical Center diagram explaining in detail the assessment criteria. And this is the overall network diagram satisfying the assessment criteria 1. So coming to the conclusion, we can get an effective understanding of what are user communities, data stores, network applications, and traffic flows, addressing, naming, and why all the devices being get used. So this design is being allocated with the IP address for the effective data transmission and others to offer the effective communication. So every user details involved in each of the medical center is been clearly defined and the design made for effective understanding. Thank you.